Mining is the process of creating a block of transactions to be added to the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum, or you can say Bitcoin, currently uses a proof of work (POW) consensus mechanism. Mining is the lifeblood of proof of work. So in this video, I will share a deflationary token which is available on Uniswap at this time and also a mineable one. If you want to know more, stay tuned with us because in future this token will be huge, and at the end of the video I will definitely do the price prediction for this token. Stay.
Feel uninvited.
BSOV is a peer-to-peer deflationary store of value system. Inspiration drives innovation, and BSOV was inspired by BTC to succeed in creating a decentralized store of value. That is why the team chose to incorporate the name Bitcoin into BSOV. The second part of the name SOV stands for the store of value. BSOV is itself deflationary by design to discourage spending and encourage holding or storing of value. Here comes the entire website. I will share the link of the website in the description. Now, something entirely important about BSOV, that it is 100% community driven cryptocurrency and does not rely on any type of centralized decision makers or traditional power structures to survive. This deflationary grassroots movement is built from the bottom up and is fully reliant on the people like you to build it. The team is going to use non-violent methods of action. We fight for the financial independence, everyone, especially anyone who is going to trade the DeFi token. So this token, the BSOV, and the entire community has all the rights to decide what the token has to do, what type of move the token has to take. Now, something about deflationary mechanism which BSOV is following. The 1% transaction burn makes the BSOV cryptocurrency deflationary by design compared to the original BTC, therefore stimulating supply scarcity and reducing token velocity. Basically, the penalized by sending your BSOV, so to avoid loss you are incentivized to hold the tokens instead. Here you can see the entire supply and also the contracted rest. Now at the moment the token is available on 3 different exchanges: the Resfinex exchange, Uniswap exchange, and also it is available on the Mercatox exchange. So you have all the chances. You can buy it directly from the centralized exchange, or you can either use decentralized exchange. For the holders of BSOV, the best part, for example, now I will tell you in short that if you are going to hold the BSOV tokens, the mechanism of the deflationary will help to reduce the supply, and that will increase the price of the token, because BSOV token is not intended for day-to-day transactions like a normal fiat currency or even BTC. 1% of each BSOV transaction is destroyed forever. So only the remaining 99% will end up at the receiver address. Now it's the time to talk about the price idea. Right now at the time of the video, the price of one token is 0.16, and if you are going to buy the token with only $100, at least I'm not saying tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but in long run, in hardly 1 month, you will be able to sell these token at about at the price of $4 or $5.